Palouse Falls in southeastern Washington is a four-season destination. The high volumes of spring and early summer runoff, harnessed by the Palouse River Gorge, plunge 198 feet to the floor below. Spring rains and snow melt hydrate the vegetation, and for a short time, the surrounding open sagebrush and grass-covered terrain is green. The parking lot and overlooks can be crowded, especially on Memorial Day weekend, so plan accordingly. Late summer and fall Palouse River flows are normally depressed due to a lack of moisture. Parched brown vegetation now fills the voids between the sagebrush. Daily temperatures could soar into the upper 90s and triple digits for extended periods. However, the site is still a worthwhile destination if one is prepared. Winter is my favorite season to visit because spectacular limestone cave-like ice formations grip the surrounding basaltic rock walls. They are a fitting reminder that ice and water created this waterfall and gorge. It was not the slow creep of a glacier that carved them. They are relics of multiple Ice Age floods that cut through these ancient lava flows. I prefer to arrive right after a cold snap, when temperatures plunged to the teens and 20s and the ice formations are well established. The elevation of Palouse Falls State Park is 784 feet above sea level. Consequently, the gravel park access road can be snow-covered and icy. Four-wheel drive or traction tires are a plus in the winter. Palouse Falls State Park is managed by Washington State Parks. A daily or season Discover Pass is required. Parking is restricted and limited. Check their website for more information.